Southern Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having an absolutely wonderful day. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch my videos. I do truly appreciate it. And if you are new, please go ahead and hit subscribe. We would love to have you join our YouTube family. And please make sure to give the video a thumbs up and leave a comment. I love talking with you guys. As you can see from the description, this is not actually a subscription unboxing. This is more of a product review. This is for a company called, I believe it is Firmoo or Firmoo. They actually reached out to me and asked if I would review their product. I do generally wear glasses. I do take them off most of the time for filming because of the glare. I'm sure when I've had like my mom bun, you've probably seen them on the top of my head or something. Well, this is actually like an online eyewear store. So you can go online. I believe you could save up to like 90% on, frames and things like that. And they have a wide variety. I mean, they have all kinds of frames and different things. And it seems super, super interesting. Because like I said, the pricing is amazing for prescription glasses or sunglasses. It just depends. So I will make sure to put a link to their website down below, but I am going to show you guys. So I took it out of the package that it came in. So it does come with like a little case, and then inside the glasses are also in a hard plastic case. Let's see here. Yeah, their card says it is Firmoo.com, Firmoo.com, your preferred online eyewear store, one-on-one service, and save up to 90%. And here I actually have a coupon code for you guys. So if you this is an additional exclusive 50% off. The code is D4A2B. It is good through December 31st. I will make sure to put this down below for you guys. It says this is for the frames only, so it would not take any cost off the lenses. But that's still a great deal. There's something else in here. What is it? Oh, well, that's nice. Okay, so it came like with a little screwdriver, and then a bunch of little like replacement screws, and then here like the pads that can sit on your nose. But let's take a look. Obviously, I picked them out online, but I'm really excited. And here it says Global Online Optical Store. So, like I said, I will put their website down below as well as that code. So if you need some new glasses, you can order them up to 90% off and then an additional 50% off. Great deal. Oh, well, that's cute. Came with the microfiber cloth, to clean your glasses. And it says Happy Thanksgiving. That is cute. And there's some information on the back. I just want to make sure I tell you guys everything. Okay, so I've told you that. So I'm excited to see. I have not tried these on. I have not seen them in person. Okay. All right. There might be a glare just because of the filming. Yeah, there's a little bit of a glare. Oh, these are fun, you guys. These are fun. I like these. I really like them. I mean, there's a glare, so I'm trying to like turn, but these are super cute. I think I did a pretty good job picking these out. What do y'all think? So like I said, I will leave the information down below for their website, that discount code. You know, if you need some glasses, head on over. Like I said, they did very kindly reach out to me and ask me to review their product, and I actually really like it. I really like these glasses, you guys. So again, everything will be down below. I hope you all have a fabulous day. And until the next video, I will talk with you guys soon. Bye.